Magandang hapon po ng November 29, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 29, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Saturday, November 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 29, 2025 Saturday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, November 29, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for November 29, 2025 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.